What is up? It is your girl, Rebby K. It has been a hot minute since I updated you guys about my braces situation. So much has happened since then. Next week is my 1 year in braces. I can't believe it feels like honestly yesterday that I got them put on, and now it is a whole ass 12 months, 365 days since I have been in the tooth jail we call braces. And like, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I'm shook. So in this video, I am going to talk to you about the changes that have come through, and I'm also going to show you guys my elastics. I did get elastics and I didn't have them last video that I did, so I'm going to show you guys how they work, what I've got to do, and how I put them in. And I'm going to show you how I do it with acrylic nails as well, because you would think that this would make it super duper hard, but I think I've got an advantage. So if that interests you and you want to see how I put elastics in with acrylic nails and you want to see the update on my toothy pegs, then keep on watching. First of all, I will put the elastics in so then you get a full update on how the teeth are looking with all of the machinery attached. I am very lucky with my elastics because I've seen some messed up elastic situations where you've got to like put them across the front of your teeth and you got to put them all over the place. Mine are literally canine to like my back, second molar from the back down the bottom, so it's literally just like the most normal thing that you could think of. I have the bear, I don't know, they rank them in animals. I don't know if like every dentist does that, but if you've had braces, did you have animals? Did you have bears? Let me know, I guess. And I have 2 elastics, luckily. A lot of people have a lot worse than that. And this is them, tiny little guys. And they just, what I do with my acrylics is I just kind of like poke them on the end, like so. Then I start at the top. I might zoom you in, shall I? There we are. So I start at the top canine and pull it right down to the back and just flick it. So having the acrylic's really useful because I kind of like can flick it up a little bit. And I will use the opposing finger to do the same thing. So I don't need to use my right finger for both. So canine. Sometimes they're a little bit iffy. There we go. And molar. And flick. So while I've got you guys zoomed up close, I will show you how they are going. Excuse the lipstick, I've been wearing the same lipstick all day. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell you what I've got and then I'm gonna show you, because I have been very good at like trying to show you and tell you at the same time, and I'm trying to work on it. So I got my Powerchain put in the front. You can't really see it because it's like a light pink, but it's different to the elastics, which are these little guys here. So the Powerchain is across, I think it's these, from the eye teeth, right across. So there's that, and I did, yes, get that in just last adjustment. And I've had the elastics for about 3 adjustments now, so about 3 months. But here is a full tour of how my braces are looking. Don't know if you guys can hear that, but gross. So a couple of little things that I've noticed since I got my Powerchain. I did not realize I was going to get a Powerchain because it felt so normal, but I was finding that I had a tiny little gap right in the middle of my teeth, and I kind of just thought that that was going to be how it went. Every time I go, and I said this in my last video, but every single time I go to the dentist or the orthodontist, I'm always like, okay, it's just like general checkups from here, but every single time they do something and I'm like, oh my god, there's more. But yeah, so like the Powerchain is supposed to like, I guess, tighten them and pull them all together. So that was just because, yeah, I had a little gap going on in the front. My elastics are because I had a little bit of an overbite, so my jaw wasn't really lining up, and you can definitely see in my jawline that I don't have, like, my chin is so much more pulled forward, and I find that it's easier to like breathe when I'm sleeping at night and stuff. I think I'm snoring less, and it's a lot easier to breathe through my nose, so obviously it's like opening up all my passages, which is super nice. And they're not too annoying. They're a little bit painful in the beginning, but like the Powerchain I did not find painful at all. Like maybe when I bit into things the first day, but other than that it was totally fine. And then yeah, the elastics was a bit uncomfortable the first like night, but then I got over it really quickly. I'm assuming a lot of people don't put theirs in from what I've heard, like from what everybody has told me with theirs. They're like, oh, I never use my elastics, and I had to keep taking bags of the orthodontist because they would ask me if I needed more, and obviously I was going to say yes so that it looked like I was using them, whereas I had to ask for extra bags because I was freaking out that I was going to run out too early. So I'm pretty good at wearing them. The only time that I don't is if I've been drinking and I forget and I just like go to sleep drunk, or if I go out for dinner or something and then I come home. Like if I'm in a different circumstance, but like usually if I'm in my daily routine, I will do it every time. And yeah, now that it's been a couple of months, I won't fall into the trap, which I have often done. Oh, I start to eat, and obviously you can't eat with them in. Start to eat, and then I'm like, oh my god, I get food stuck in them, and then I'm like at the table pulling out elastics. It's just a whole ass mess. But to be honest, I kind of like them. Like I feel like once I have to take them out and don't have to use them anymore, it's gonna feel very odd, because I find that if I don't wear them for a couple of hours, my mouth feels like loose, because I guess they're holding my jaw together, if you will, so I'm just constantly like it's kind of fun, I guess. But yeah, I didn't really have a lot to say in this video. People just wanted to know how they were going, and it's been a long ass time since I updated you. As I said, I can't believe it's been a whole year with me in braces. Like, it's gonna be less than a year and I'm gonna be bloody showing you my new smile. It's gonna be insane, like crazy. So I guess that's it. Is there anything you guys want to hear from me, want to know, want to see? If there is, let me know in the comments below, but that is how to insert elastics with acrylic nails, and that is a nice little quick update on my teethy pegs. If you like this video and you like me, then you know what to do, my friends. You want to like, comment and subscribe, do all the buzzwords, click the notifications, touch the bells, make the noises happen, because then you will never ever miss another video of mine again. And please let me know in the video responses, comments, whatever, buzzwords down below, what you want to see from me in the future. I really want to get back into my passion, which is video making. I've been really kind of holding off and like very intermittently posting lately because I've been kind of like on the fence and focusing on the wrong things, and I think I'm ready to like focus on myself and get back into this routine of like doing things that I like. And I love making videos. I've been doing it for fucking 15 years, so like why would I stop now? And yeah, so hit me up. What do you want to see? I can make it happen for you, baby. So that is it. As always, I will see y'all in my next video. Much love. Oh, I don't usually do it that way. Much love. Bye.